Hi and welcome to our review of Surfshark. Yes, you should always use a VPN. A VPN encrypts your traffic and makes you safe online. Surfshark is a popular virtual private network, or VPN, that has gained a lot of attention in recent years for its fast speeds, strong security, and affordable pricing. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what Surfshark has to offer and whether it's the right VPN for you. Surfshark is a very good VPN and is among one of the best VPN services, with AES 256-bit encryption, a kill switch, split tunneling, Netflix, and torrenting access, plus a headquarters outside of the Five Eyes Alliance. First off, let's talk about security. Surfshark uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data and keep it private while you're online. It also has a number of other security features, such as a kill switch and a no-logs policy, which means that it doesn't keep any record of your online activities. In terms of speed, Surfshark performs well, with fast connections and minimal lag. This is especially important if you're using a VPN for streaming or gaming. Surfshark also has a large network of servers, with over 3,200 servers in 65 countries, so you should have no problem finding a fast and stable connection. Surfshark is a VPN service company located in the Netherlands. It is a subsidiary of Nord Security, the parent company of NordVPN. While Surfshark overall is cheaper, NordVPN offers more servers and protocol options. Additionally, NordVPN caps their connections at 6 devices simultaneously, while Surfshark has no limits here. However, NordVPN wins because of the much better overall value. Surfshark is safe. On top of our audits, they offer all the features you need to look for in a safe VPN. They use military-grade encryption, updated protocols, and 100% RAM-only servers. They also have a strict no-logs policy. One of the things that sets Surfshark apart from other VPNs is its unlimited simultaneous connections policy. This means that you can use Surfshark on as many devices as you want, all at the same time. This is great for households with multiple devices, or for people who want to use Surfshark on their phone, tablet, and laptop all at once. Surfshark use AES 256-bit encryption. The details of this are a bit complicated, but in short, it makes your data impractical to crack. Though technically possible, it would take hackers a few decades to decrypt that data. Not only can you access American Netflix via Surfshark's US VPN servers, the VPN also lets you stream US movies and TV shows from any server location that isn't streaming enabled. In terms of pricing, Surfshark is very affordable, with plans starting at just $2.49 per month for a 2-year subscription. This is one of the lowest prices in the industry, and makes Surfshark a great value for money. Overall, Surfshark is a solid VPN with fast speeds, strong security, and affordable pricing. Surfshark is shutting down its servers in India, becoming the second major virtual private network (VPN) provider to exit India. Surfshark VPN does not keep track of your online whereabouts or actions in any way. Although Surfshark does not have Russian servers, Users in Russia can still use the VPN, but they will need to use another country's IP address. In early February 2022, Nord Security and Surfshark announced they were merging, making Nord Security the owner of both companies. According to Surfshark's merger blog post, the companies say they will continue to operate as separate companies, with separate VPN infrastructures. NordVPN and Surfshark both have a similar number of server locations, around 60. However, NordVPN has more servers, 5,000 plus, compared with Surfshark's 3,200 plus. If you're planning to connect your VPN to specific locations, you can look up which location each company's servers are connected to online. Surfshark is a virtual private network (VPN) service that encrypts your internet connection and hides your online activity. Here are some potential pros and cons of using Surfshark. Let's look into the pros first. Security. Surfshark uses strong encryption to protect your data and online activity from being monitored or accessed by third parties. Privacy. Surfshark doesn't keep logs of your online activity, so your browsing history is not saved or shared with anyone. Accessibility. Surfshark has servers in over 60 countries, so you can access a wide range of content that might be blocked or restricted in your location. Compatibility. Surfshark is compatible with a variety of devices and operating systems, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, and more. And here are the cons. Cost. Surfshark is generally more expensive than some other VPN services. Performance. Surfshark may not offer the fastest speeds or the most reliable connection, depending on your location and the server you're connected to. Features. Surfshark may not have as many advanced features as some other VPN services. Overall, Surfshark is a good choice for those who value security and privacy and are willing to pay a little extra for it. However, it may not be the best option for those who are looking for the fastest speeds or the most advanced features. If you're in the market for a VPN, we highly recommend giving Surfshark a try. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching.